Hey everyone, wonderful day today. Today I have a customer that they brought iPhone X for repair, which the touch stopped working. Touches doesn't work. So let's see what's going on with it. First step, what I like to tell everyone is turn it off and turn it back on. That usually fixes the issue. But let's see what's going on with this one. Insert something in there when you're opening it, but not too deep. Touch still doesn't work. Sometimes all you have to do is turn it off and turn it back on. And our main goal is to unplug the battery first. So now I unplugged everything, but what I'll do is I'll plug in the screen again. Always try and use plastic if you have, even when battery is disconnected, but your preference. Once everything is done, connect the battery, try to turn it back on. See what happens now. So now the touch works. Sometimes what you have to do is just turn it off and turn it back on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.